Hello everyone. Suppose you have created a document and sent it for approval to your management. The approval is pending. But now you want to make some changes on the document. For that, you need to withdraw the approval. Now how to do that? Let's check it out. For that, go to the approval module. Now here, the category will be sent because you have created the document and sent it to your management. The status will be pending. Now suppose you have to edit this particular document. Now click on the document number. Now click on the document number to open the document. Here, the status is pending. That means the approval is pending. Now click on approval actions. Here, you get an option to withdraw approval. Click on withdraw approval. Now the approval has been withdrawn. To make the amendments or changes, click on edit. Suppose you want to change the quantity, you can change the quantity and click on save and send to send for approval again. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you. Have a good day.